Peace FM 104.3. Woodmeat Take.
Medawasi. Anopa mi chia mi brothers wa hanyina. Mi nwa mo lejukuko omutie mi. Omuti mpano wo ewo Coco Beach bichia wo. Triple force bichia wo. Mo airport hills nso omuka constituency no omuso bichia wo. Nana me senior bakun wo parliament honorable Ajima Menu health minister anopa ibi chano me candidate say waye bibi bakwa wa mama me agye no ho pa 2017 yenya clearance for close to 16,500 health workers. 2018 my clearance for 11,018 workers, and in 2019 was secure 26,161. Total no 553,160 health workers. Nana, in the history of our country in the last 25 years, the new minister in 24 months, one year clearance for more than even 30,000 workers. Now, meaning the entire yes, I'm not backlog no doors. Intimate Danyamias say, Omo na mutiti me with call say doctor. Bomodi na kaye no. Now most of them have been absorbed. We will continue to work hard and give clearance to as many health workers as possible. Upon doing a health first. Aisha, any mining, anytime I buy beer, I start a crusade beer. Sa crusade no, and your politicians no, say your party na idea. Now so obia ni jiwo ana not obia nkofo bebre do am ho shem because of scare woman. When you start that battle, you must be prepared. Before we can say be prepared for the long haul. Just say enye one day, 1 year, and anyway, even when you've done so well, our bomb the ama didn't above from nana. Who that pay over so you know be more than I started. Now I say war on drugs. Nana, yeah, from day 5, Obeshe TV, Mexico. The government is fighting drugs. They fought drugs up to now. They are still fighting drugs. You know why? Nana, Obekono, Archbishop B, Ninsa Womu, politicians Sawomu, or Hininsa Womu, all kinds of people. Now, President Mahama, Obekacha said now he wasn't fighting Galamsey. Nana, Obwa, he was making the effort to fight Galamsey. But what happened to President Mahama? The forces of evil, Nana, triumphed over the forces of good. We are buying now starting war bia ngofo bebre nsa wo mu wa nkofo nsa ensubetima wo mu because of the way etina omu mpese wo be wagi that war because ebe ha omu selfish interest no omu sorry tia wo na one yes strong omu a omu pe omu ani ye angina o ye a adon dey wo be wona you've lost interest and now the war no atu ebi. So that is what happened in the past few years. No more aban mu and no more outside aban mu pese Galamsey nkoso because and no more this yomu dan e to mu cast kese e yomu life no. They constantly fought the government and the government had already lost the war. Enti enye na Galamsey fight start nana what we can say, but the war was lost heavily. Enti edru ebi no ukosuro kra ko say Galamsey end there na I said there Nyabote this not priority. Enti na Akufo-Addo buy no or see I'm going to focus on this battle, put in new resources, give it leadership and commitment. Nana, na me Kaipa say CTFM. The new pictures of water bodies by. Say first no, na yensuo kala na yede asisa. Nyankopo na dom nyama yede ye kama. Ghana water be catch say edu ebi no before aban we power no or shut it down the machines because odi Ghana nsuo two machine no a na enye yi. Say na ya aban wo nana. No say obon humodi. Now, so the government was overwhelmed by the forces of evil. That's how I put it. Yes, started a war in a Bomodi Interministerial Committee. Along the way, people are giving reports. Say there are Nyama HSA. The part I call it looks like the gains, it is being eroded gradually. I wasn't surprised. The only thing HSA quickly know when you start any program, the monitoring and evaluation. Nana, and say factors are ama ubomodeno. Usha say dentin as say nyama yeden air condition, and then quickly you reorient. Now media me what GDS say this war will be won because there is commitment from the topmost place, which is the president. Now, who started war to say Galamsey and now war against drugs? Now, Sroho is not with you. You are wasting your time. Because who are district? What you be with excavator? Now we do regional level. Now I catch you say Sawichi. What do national level? Now I catch you say Unkwa and who was sebi Tumia. You to stop you now. Now I don't want to state Nyama is here in the past. We because we hear a lot of reference. But there was a good reason why some people had their excavators bent. You know why? Because the forces of evil were at work and lobbying. They've not gone to sleep. They are still around. Nana. But the good news is say place a decision every bar was thrown. And yet place a Emma approval for the forces of evil to have their way. So Mepa Obiacho immediately I will get into the realm of trying to say Abanwe, you about DCBD or Galamsey Nyamano. Just say you are losing the plot. Across board, there are elements who are interested in making sure that Galamsey business would flourish. But wealth, sika ID, bad health, and Emma Nippon Kwa Eco Form, and Yadia Yesum. That's why this government is committed to fighting. No. Aisha. Na Aisha wo kroma ho na
Omaimua.
Yes, Omaimua. Me tia brante bi o si da o ti say aban wa anya kokodo aso Aisha mo no. O si what? Mami we mutimi chi no. Because no nim say mami no che say wa ye no entrenched to the extent say e be di say wo di sabeka no. Some time ago. It was say a team say
entrenched in the
no, just a system, you know. The forces of evil, no, it was a compromising system, you know, to the very highest level. It was the say a team, you know. Obi ought to be catch a policeman say shoot. Now, but Sana also I shot the need to multi-man instruction. Obano Chinese, you know, say shoot him. Now, but to police of my police instruction some time ago. And then one said the same police at me at Chino. And which will say the forces of good, you know, now they are overwhelming the forces of evil. Internet chino. Now, there are many parts I wouldn't go through to show say who send this signal say we don't tolerate this behavior in this country. The first one is the arrest. Now, Kukudron any chief foreign national. They tell me Kukudron say in the world of global politics, you know, Uchi any foreign national, no I born now will deal with or not. Whether you like it or not, the country monitors and watches. You know what I say? If you only look at 2 jail cry, sometimes they monitor treatment in jail. I know what I'm saying. Now, you're frank and honest. Now, Aisha Manu, you didn't do court, you know. Maybe a doctor. Oh, Shannon Lee, psychological. She was broken. You know why she was broken? No one did that. Said to come to a point or no, she'll be sleeping in detention cells and be taken to court. And the court process is in the start here. As a Bayano, Nanaya, at a point, we opted for Nolly Prescribe. Yes, sir. Yeah. No, be catcher and say they should tell us the reasons why Nolly Prescribe happy. Now, they say I want we know the dynamics of leadership and governance. Now, I didn't in a parliament. Every more budget, yeah, come up on every more the share them. Interior national security. I didn't know more budget. Yeah, come on them. I be more the come up on now. South Africans now. Yes, you move say on the bomb my way. Listen, no, they were charged for treason. Is that not it? Now, treason is the highest crime. No more say Ghana, the whole government they came to undo the government. Now, which crime is more serious than a foreigner who comes to tell us who should govern us? Now, you started court case, you know. So, more say, more collapse your mind way. Am I a costonage, you know? Yensaka, and yet, Papa, one for it. There were about 3 or 4 or 5. Then I see here, Abayanu says they say, no, what die the constitution. I'm a confirm immigration laws. And yes, and then I go to a national who misbehaves. They applied immigration, and then the punishment they had was that you go back to your country. You cannot do the work you wanted to do here. There's good reason why they didn't give us those explanations. It is possible, say, you can't hear my name. One share no crab betting I collapse the system. National security. Only so big damaging environment. Now, oh yes, it's a security issue. Until now, interministerial committee, no national security count. Now, why is it that some time ago you ever get to two Krofonu Bar serious negotiations for the whole country. People who have been in Guantanamo Bay for years. You don't move on apart from Hanatete, ni President Mama, ni a few people. You know, I'm teaching you. It's all move from her. Omo man catch no mum buye, I no mum pay ye. Didn't you yes and he said, oh, in governance, it's not every information that is fit for everybody. But what I can assure everybody on this platform is that the same good and patriotic reasons are abana chemunu e follow here. Omu take a decision. I believe strongly this is South Africa for a deport. Now Biden was interested in this country. Interested, go back to where you came from. You can break the system. They apply some laws, the immigration laws. I don't know the details. I've not been briefed like anybody as to the content why they reached as null prosequi. But what I can vouch for is that it is all in the interest of the state. And now, me don't be born common as you. And Ghana ni ankadina ko jail. And I said, say, I hope running into our court. No. Only say sometimes a country wastes scout best spending on you in jail versus you other options are better. Who do we call jailer? Only say Osheno. I don't know him. Osheno. Who take care of me the bills in Yama. That's why once a while government and Kasa Otimika say based on behavior in Yamano while releasing some people. Now, Obikra Timi Kwa could do a big say Ghana Nyanka now to Aisha Wakunko for that and our Wahami environment.
In fact, our man in Krama crying for that. Exactly.
Enti Obisano and Kamusu was on proud no on and all that. Now we don't love Ghanaians. Now we are connected Sino Adroniama. All I can say is that government can say Sino Hydro had nothing to do with Aisha. There is every reason to believe it.
But the other stretch in some for so can say. Yeah. The rest are Aisha case in the idea in no. Senka government is also whatever the intents are. A bold Emma court processes no koya go see na court to say. Ebia Yajai Asha na say Asha Ndemo. That will have been a bold statement.
Yeah. Oh, no. Mami catch up baby.
Metie.
Na sikaka babeka.
Kana mintie.
Na oye jawo fi. Fia wono. Oya mba wo na wo tinu wo so. Na so nim say aye community a odi nkofo mingelenti. Fia no niam e koso fia no sabi. Odi nkofo na ye. Na o nanaba ana onya ba aba fia aba misbehave. Na on sa kana. What you know? Odi na shedem wa bu no 1 2. O si lo e wo fi nche say wo say kra say wo nsen no. Na obi aka che wo say wo e bia we dru no. Unana no de wo kasa na nyabotema no. No be say obi aboto see your boat now we are not an island. It's a global world. It is a global world. Now look, politics into the yes I know, but even US, all countries, whether Cuba, Venezuela, when they are dealing with their nationals,
Venezuela
say we get a contest. Cuba ni Venezuela be remember baby nana before. Now the point I'm making is that all countries see that say why Cuba and Venezuela one program I make us. Now point I'm making is say when countries deal with each other their nationals, sometimes behind the scenes the matter becomes more complicated than the ordinary man sees it.
I see. So
the obey as a leader, he said, you have to take the decision that will be in the best interest of this country. Because you'll be saying, Osha Ebony, your sister, may her soul rest in peace. Not yet, now for a long time, no. There could be factors, but apart from supervision, poor supervision, even money was an issue. Is that not it? There are many lives that can be saved when we put our things together.